brand new, ultra powerful, magnificent Mamiya 645 Super. Its haunting visage. It's lightweight, but don't get greedy. Its delicate curves. Speaking of delicate, it's also mostly plastic. Its detachable backs make it where you can be indecisive, loading multiple color and black and white film rolls, depending on what you have and how much money you have. Same with the lenses, and other stuff that does things, for photography mostly. It's, mostly intuitive. Then a hand model can put it together. It's like an infinity gauntlet of amazing features. Look at that bright screen. The Mamiya 645 Super. It will haunt your dreams.